I'm Christy Ladner, and today we're going to be talking about Scvngr. Scvngr is a mobile app for iPhone and Android that allows you to discover cool places and do exciting fun things and share what you're up to with your friends. So we're here at Slingshot, and I've already checked in on Scvngr, and the first stage of the trek is for me to take a picture of this QR code. So I just got 2 points for checking in at Slingshot, and it says, "Congrats, you found Slingshot. Now head to Dallas's most well-known book depository and snap a picture of the window to the 60s. So I'm here at the 6th floor museum where the challenge is to snap a picture of the famous 6th floor window. So I'm done with the challenge at the 6th floor museum, and now I'm going on to the next challenge, which says, head to the closest red bullseye and check in. So our next stop on the trek is at Target, so let's go inside and see what they have in store for us. It says to find the Coconut Lime Bodycology Body Lotion and read what's on the label. On the label it says the scent will help relieve stress and tension like a tropical island blank. Like a tropical island getaway. So I typed in getaway, and the next thing is that we'd go to the Old Monk for dinner. So for this challenge, I decided to call my friends Alex and Charles and Aaron to help out. Hey. So one of the features of Scvngr is social check-in. So I'm here with my friend Charles, and we're going to do a social check-in. We're done with this challenge. Let's go on to the next one. So now we're at the next place at the trek with my friends here, Charles and Alex.
Hey. Alright, we're checking in here at Capital Pub, where our next task is to have our favorite beer submitted to complete our task. And task completed.
So our last challenge of the trek is here at Arcadia, where we're supposed to play Jenga with my friends here and take a picture of whoever wins.
Alex. Hey.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win. Checked out Scvngr, which allows you to do a lot of different things within the app, whether it's checking in at a location, taking a picture where you are, whether it's food or at a bar. You can do a challenge, you can get rewards by doing different challenges, so there's a lot of different things you can do with that.
You know, pretty cool twist on the gaming aspect of the check-in type app. We did have a few small issues. The setup was a bit awkward. There's some difficult things. We had some problems with the QR codes. But you know, we sent the guys over Scvngr an email, and they emailed back in 12 hours and figured it out pretty quickly. So those guys were pretty cool about it.
Yeah, we had a great experience with it, and we really see that there's huge opportunity for brands to get involved with Scvngr. They just got another round of funding, and they've got great partnerships with Facebook right now. And you know, really for a brand, setting up a rewards program or setting up challenges actually in all of your restaurants or in a specific retail location can provide a lot of opportunity for people to actually interact with your brand in a fun and engaging way.